Ladies and gentlemen, we are multiplying this by 50!
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Come and find us. Crazy, crazy town is searching for you. Come on, let's go get it. 341, nobody's updating. Well, I'm updating here. You don't hear me, guys? Really? That's close. As I said, last coin flip was 25x. Last cash hunt was from 5 to 100. Last pachinko was 50x.
This is the amount of money issued 150,228 euros.
On top of it! Hey, Pollard, Bedris, Kian, and Andrelan, you're the top winners here. 1,734 of you have caught that. I'm really happy for you, Leishan. Let's go forward. Hi, Aki. Sing Moland. Let's get down.
What happens? Place your bets and let's go for another round. Hope a good one, of course. Scoop Faustus. Like, scoop me up, like with a spoon? Come on. Well, wish you the very best of luck. And now more bets now. And let's see what do we get for this round. Oh, 7x on the cash hunt, looking nice. So, Warren, you work to have, you collect to have, so it's same. You work to have what? I mean, that doesn't really make sense. Well, okay, I guess we're collecting a cash hunt with a 7x TOPSLOT. Well, how sad that is. Come on, let's go. And it's not sad. I'm actually pretty happy with that. So, collecting, working, cash hunt, 7x TOPSLOT. It's all the same, am I right? Alright, well, we have 100 with that 7x TOPSLOT. Well, the maximum multiplier is 700x. Well, let's go. Okay, this is looking nice. We actually have a lot of 175, so even that would be nice to hit. So, Warren, is it still the same or no? I don't think so. Alright, well, ladies and gentlemen, your time to shine. Pick a target, pick a good one, or let the outpick decide for you. Oh, so this is gonna be like the new highest win. Awesome. Alright, let's see. Well, let's reveal those multipliers over.
This is the amount of money issued 56,106 euros.
Congratulations to all the winners. 10 players winning the 700x and 1,119 total players. Winners, I mean. So place your bets and let's go for another round. Hope a good one, of course. Okay, that was...
Congratulations to all the winners. Good luck in the next round. Betting time is now open for all. And you can as well feel free to join in. Let's see. It's okay. It's okay, but you also don't need to say mean things, though. Like, I'm not saying, like, oh, you should stay with every single host and every single session. No. Cash on 5x and TOPSLOT. You're always allowed to choose what host session you want to attend. We have Cash on 5x. I'm not saying, like, oh, you should stay or you should go. No. Welcome back to Cash Hunt, ladies and gentlemen. 5x. And 5x. Let's see. Where's that? Okay, 500. Whoa. Multiply that by 5 and we have 2,500 is the biggest. And let's see. You may make your decisions. Remember, there's a 2,500x multiplier at stake. Somewhere hidden. Let's see.
This is the amount of money issued 187,872 euros.
congratulations to all of the winners. Good luck in the next round. Betting time is now open to all newcomers. Welcome, feel free to join and have a good day, Josh. I think we just maybe have the highest score today.
75, 75 and 45. I think that's what one of the players said for the last crazy time. Big win? Oh, I don't know what the big win is. We're still waiting for our moderator to join. And that's one of the players knows what the big win is. Pachinko now with a 15x multiplier. Now that could potentially give us the big win. Woo! Pachinko with a 15x. Let's go. Welcome everyone. This is perfect. We're starting off with these 2x multiplier going on to 10, 15, 20, 25, 40. We also have 50. Just time to opening about 15. Perfect, let's go up. Highest multiplier now, everyone, is 750. Let's go down. 750. We can do it. We can do it. We can do it. Give us a 600.
This is the amount of money issued 144,633 euros.
Possible. Yeah, of course. Yeah, why not, you know? 7x on cash in there, buddy. Just imagine, bro. I would get fired, you know? Fired. Cash on, however, we could do. Maybe? Stay. Did you see that? How it returned. Hey. I gotta do that. I love the music here. We get 100x. 7x as well, right. 7x. 700x we have. 525x as well. We got beautiful things going on here. Just like you, my beautiful thing. Alright. Well, here goes everybody. We've shuffled it all up. It has been shuffled. Shuffled. Now you choose your thing, your emoji. Go for the bunny if you wish. Go for the apple if you're vegan. Joking. I mean, you know, hunting. After all, apple.
This is the amount of money issued 825,098 euros.
Nice, amazing. 139 wins with a 700 extra there. GG. 6,705 wins in total. Blue Malian here with the top 3 wins. Betting time, everybody. Good luck to all of you in the next round. Let's continue. That was alright. Beautiful. Beautiful. What a session, everybody. What a session. Just let me tell you this.
I just mentioned the highest multiplier. What was on the other flappers, unfortunately, I do not know, but at least 500x. At least 500x it was. Crazy time with 3 times multiplier. Hi. Alright, darlings, here we go. For this round, since we're talking about the crazy time and multipliers, 3 times multipliers for our crazy time as well. Let's go. Alright, darlings. Here we are, lovelies. Oh, yes, baby, there we go. And we have a surprise for you. Ladies and gentlemen, 3 times the multiplier. Yes! Alright, darling, so let's make some
the magic happen, guys. Alright, time for you to choose your flappers, ladies and gentlemen. The green, the blue, the yellow. Choice is yours. Alright, last second. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, 300 is the highest one. They only want more. So, let's go for it. Let's do this. Alright, come on, high multis or the doubles, please.
This is the amount of money issued for 131,876 euros.
75, 75, ka-ching! Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are back. 375, guys. Congratulations, you got it on the crazy time, baby. Congratulations to all the wins for that. Ladies and gentlemen, we are at the crazy time with 50x multiplier. Oh, yes, baby. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, we are multiplying this by 50. Are we ready, guys? It is the flapper time. The blue, the yellow, the green, guys. The decision is yours, guys. Come on, come on. All right, ladies and gentlemen, highest multiplier, 5,000. Let's go! Guys, let's do this! All right, come on. Would love to still see this.
This is the amount of money issued 7,561,883 euros.
2,500 and 2,500. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.